Consider a charged particle with charge q and mass m enters into a region of a uniform magnetic field vector b with a velocity vector v. What will decide the motion of the charged particle? The force experienced by the charged particle is given by the Lorentz force q into v cross b. Since the magnetic field is uniform, the velocity of the charged particle will decide the motion of the charged particle. Any particle moving with some velocity can be split up into two components. One component is parallel to the magnetic field, while the other component perpendicular to the magnetic field. First, consider the velocity component which is perpendicular to the magnetic field. The magnitude of the force is given by the Lorentz force BQV sin theta. Since angle between V and B is 90 degree, the magnitude of the force is BQV. Applying Fleming's left-hand rule on the charged particle placed at A, the thumb represents the direction of the force. So, the charged particle experiences an inward force towards O at A. In the same way, the particle at B, C and D will also experience the same inward force towards O. So, the particle travels in a circular path with center O. Because of the velocity component which is perpendicular to the magnetic field, the particle will experience a circular path. Now, consider a velocity component which is parallel to the magnetic field. Since angle between V and B is 0, it experiences zero force. Since force experience is 0, the particle is unaffected by any external force. Therefore, its motion is linear. The path of the motion of charged particle because of the velocity component perpendicular to the field is circular, and the path of the motion of charged particle because of the velocity component parallel to the field is linear. The real motion of the charged particle is because of the combination of these two components, circular motion plus linear motion, that we call as helical motion. So, when a charged particle is entered into a uniform magnetic field, it experiences a helical motion.